Hello, my name is VP Ardhanarishwaran, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now, I am going to discuss the topic engineering drawing and what is the engineering drawing and what are the various types of the projections, and out of these three I am going to specifically talk about the orthographic projection. In orthographic projection I am going to talk specifically what is the projection of points. So first, what is the engineering drawing? Engineering drawing is a graphical language, is a universal language. So this language can understand by any technical persons around the globe. And the projection means the visual rays. In this orthographic projection, orthographic projection means ortho, 90 degree, right angled projection. The angle between two planes is the 90 degree. Next one is the isometric projection. Isometric projection means isosceles, and perspective projection is a photographic view. Just like suppose if you are standing in front of the railway track, at a certain point it is going to coincide with each other. Just it's going to join two tracks at one point. And if you are standing in front of the building, it's going to show at particular point, this is going to converging towards and it is going to meet at one point. So this is the orthographic, isometric and perspective projection. So these three projections are important in the engineering drawing. Out of these, in technical, mostly the orthographic projection for the manufacturing purpose. If you are going to give the drawing, details of the machine or etc., we are going to give in orthographic projection. Isometric projection and perspective projection is for the customer, end user purpose. So they can understand easily what is the component or machine exactly in the physical method, the real view. So in orthographic projection, first every object is made up of points, lines and planes, solids. So in this aspect, so we are going to see what is the projection of points, lines, planes and solids. Out of these I am going to focus only on the projection of points. So first, what is the point? Point is a zero dimensional object. This is not having no dimension. And line, especially line means projection of straight lines. What is a straight line? Straight line means the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. And plane is just like a sheet. So this may be a circular plane or hexagonal, pentagonal. These are the different types of the planes. And solids, cone, cylinder, pentagonal, hexagonal, pyramid, cylinder, etc. So these are all coming under the solids. So out of these, what is the points? Is a zero dimensional. And lines means the shortest distance between 2 points. So first, the projection of points, we are going to see in 4 angles projection. Is a just like a quadrant. Is the first angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle. So in engineering field, they are going to use first angle projection and third angle projection. The reason behind that, these two angle projections are not going to coincide with each other, but the second and fourth is going to coincide. Here, if you go for second angle projection, the horizontal plane and vertical plane is going to coincide. So there will be a overlapping in the projection. Similarly in fourth, the VP and HP is going to overlap here. So we cannot able to give the full details of the components clearly. So in order to avoid that difficulties, we are going for the first angle and third angle projection. Okay. In first angle projection, the vertical plane lies above the reference plane and horizontal plane lies below the reference line. What is the reference line? The intersection of horizontal plane and vertical plane is the reference plane. So this is the reference plane. So in this, I am going to show the projection of one point here. If the points lies in first angle projection, see here, this is the above HP and in front of VP. If the same point lies here, this lies on VP and above HP. And the same way, if the point lies here, this lies on HP and in front of VP. In the same way, in second angle projection, is above and in front of VP and HP. Similarly here in third angle projection, this point is in front of and below the horizontal plane. Similarly here, this point is in front of VP and below HP. So in that way we are going to give the details about the orthographic projections. So this one is belongs to the first angle projection in the first quadrant. So here the notation for front view means always lies on vertical plane. Top view always lies on horizontal plane. And here the name of the point is A. The A point lies here in space. So in orthographic projection, in front view, it seems to look like this. This is the A dash. The notation for the front view is A dash and notation for top view is A. So here the point A lies 10 mm above HP and 5 mm in front of VP. So for that, if you rotate this, we are going to rotate the horizontal plane in clockwise direction. Okay, so in first angle projection, VP above the reference line and the horizontal plane below the reference line. So the point A lies in the space 10 mm above and 5 mm in front of VP. The corresponding orthographic projection of the point A here, A dash, from the reference line we are going to take 10 mm above and note the point and notation is A dash. And the same one, this is the projection line. This is the projection line. The projection line is the visual rays of the observer's eye. And same line we have maintained, and this is the point A of the top view. So 5 mm in front of. So this is the orthographic projection of the point A. Thank you.